Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio in CapCut for PC. Perfect for resizing your videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Stick around till the end so you don't miss a common mistake most beginners make. Open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. Once inside the editor, look at the bottom right corner of the preview window. You'll see a drop-down or button that says Ratio. Click on it. You'll get options like 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, 4:5, Custom, and more. Select the one you need. For example, if you're editing a TikTok video, choose 9:16. And just like that, your project is now resized to the correct aspect ratio.